Now I will show you how you can update the version of Linux. Okay, first open the Terminator. Okay, now type apt get space update. Okay, if I press enter, it will not work. I must use sudo. Okay, the sudo commands allows you to run programs with the security privileges of another users. It promotes you for your personal password and confirms your request to execute a command by checking a file called sudoers, which the system administrator configures. Okay, open the new window. Okay, sudo space apt get space update. Okay, you can also use firstly you can use sudo su. Okay, then enter the password. Okay, su. Okay, then enter the password. Okay, then you can use this command. Okay, get update. Okay, you don't need use sudo at this moment. Okay, I can use so many time without sudo. Okay, firstly check if I use this, what happened there, what showing there. Okay, see, showing permission denied. Okay, now enter your password. Okay, in a nutshell, the apt get update command does not actually install new version of software. The sudo apt get command is used to download package information from all configured source. The sources of an deadline. The sources often defined in /etc/apt/sources. So when you run update command, it downloads the package information from the internet. Okay, done. Okay, this time type apt grad. Okay, same thing there. Firstly need to use sudo command. But if I use sudo su, then I don't need to use sudo. Okay, enter. apt-get upgrade actually installs newer version of the packages you have. After updating the list, the package manager knows about available updates for the software you have installed. That is why you first want to update. That means if you want to use the latest version, you must first update the list, then upgrade. Okay, showing, do you want to continue? Yes. Why? Okay, enter. Okay, you need to wait few minutes. Okay.